After you create and distribute your form and start collecting data, it's the analysis and charts that shape your insights and decisions. While Porsline's standard charts give you a clear overview, sometimes you need a more focused, in-depth look at specific slices of your data. That's where advanced filters, available in enterprise accounts, come in. With this feature, you can create multi-level filters, just like conditional statements, and customize which columns appear in each filtered view. Once you've set it up, you can name and save the filter for future use. Let's walk through an example. Imagine you've launched a customer satisfaction survey for a retail chain with 7 branches nationwide. The customer care manager wants to do 2 things: give each regional store manager access to feedback related only to their store, and provide the CEO with insights specifically from dissatisfied customers about a new product. To create these targeted views, we first need to slice the data using advanced filters. Go to the Results phase, open the Results table, and click Advanced Filters. Define one filter for each store and save them under their respective names. Then, create another filter targeting feedback on the new product with ratings of 3 or less, and save it as Dissatisfied Customers New Product. For every saved filter, a unique link is generated in the chart section. These links open to visual reports based solely on the selected data slice. You now have 4 powerful tools. Clicking the preview icon opens the filtered report in a new tab. You can print it or save it as a PDF using the print button. Under Report Link Settings, you can customize the title and description of the report, which is precisely what the viewer will see. You can also disable the link at any time to revoke access. You can edit, delete, and create new filters. And finally, you can add custom charts and notes to any of your shared report links. You can also export the filtered data at any time by clicking the Download Excel CSV button. This powerful report builder allows you to generate precisely the kind of insights your business needs: focused, segmented, and ready to share with stakeholders across your organization. If you need help getting started, our support team is always here to assist you.